Hello dear subscribers, today I will show you how you can easily find apps you deleted from your iPhone. So for doing this you just need to go to App Store, and in App Store you need to click on icon with your profile, so just open it, and here in your profile you need to find purchased. Here you can see purchased, so just open it, and here you will find all the apps you download and install on your iPhone. So if you have this app been installing on your device, you will see here a button with open, and if you see here cloud, it means that you delete this app, and you can also download again this app and just install it on your phone. So this is how it works. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click like, and goodbye.